Hello, dear English learners. Do you want to speak better English in your daily life? Today, we are learning 10 super useful everyday words that you can use from morning till night. We have got fun examples, a short story, real life scenes, and even a quiz at the end. So grab your notebook, sit back, and let's learn English the fun way. Are you ready? Let's go. Wake up. Wake up. To sleep. Examples. I usually wake up at 6:30 every morning. She wakes up early to exercise. Did you wake up late today? Brush. Brush. To clean or smooth something using a brush. I brush my teeth after breakfast. He brushes his hair before leaving the house. Don't forget to brush your shoes. Breakfast. The first meal of the day. I eat toast and eggs for breakfast. Breakfast is very important for your health. She skipped breakfast today. Bus. Bus. A large vehicle used for public transport. The bus arrives at 8 a.m. We missed the school bus. I take the bus to work every day. Work. Work. To do a job or task. I work in a hospital. His work is very difficult. She works from home. Lunch. Lunch. A meal eaten in the middle of the day. I had rice and chicken for lunch. They went out for lunch. We usually eat lunch at 1 p.m. Buy. To buy something. To get something by paying money. I want to buy a new phone. She bought a gift for her friend. Let's buy some apples. Market. Market. A place where people buy and sell things. I go to the market every Saturday. The market is full of fresh vegetables. There is a big market near my house. Dinner. Dinner. The last main meal of the day. We had soup and bread for dinner. My family eats dinner together. I am cooking dinner tonight. Sleep. To sleep. To rest your body and mind by closing your eyes. I sleep for 8 hours. The baby is sleeping now. That's great. Let's read this short article about my busy day. And at the end of this article, you will have to answer some comprehension questions. Are you ready? Let's go. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth and get ready. Then, I eat breakfast. Usually some bread and tea. At 7:30, I take the bus to work. At noon, I eat lunch with my friends. After work, I go to the market to buy fruits and vegetables. Sometimes, I also get meat for dinner. After eating dinner, I watch a little TV and then go to sleep. That's my busy day. Okay, if you have read this article with me, let's try these comprehension questions and leave your answers on the comment section. Okay, let's go. What time does the person wake up? How does the person go to work? Where does the person buy fruits and vegetables? What meal does the person eat at noon? What does the person do before going to sleep? The best answer, I'll give the person a like. Okay? Great job, everyone. You've just learned 10 everyday English words. Use them in real sentences and even read a short story with them. Now you can talk about your daily routines with confidence. Don't forget to practice these words by making your own sentences in the comment section. If you enjoy this lesson, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next fun English video. Thanks for learning with me today. And remember, the more you practice, the better your English becomes. See you next time.